G'day guys, it's Ben from Snowy's here, taking a very quick look at the Explore Planet Earth dash side table. Now the dash side table sits next to you in your camp chair, put your food and drink and the like on it. It's really quite a handy thing to have on the campsite. Now it's quite large, 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. It's also quite strong as well, made with the tabletop of laminated MDF. You can hold up to 30 kilos of your food and drink on at any one time. Now the sides of this and also the legs and the like are all made of aluminium. This means that it's really quite lightweight. It weighs less than a kilo, 920 grams. Now when you fold this one up, simply pop the legs down. There we go. It sits only about 2 centimeters high, so it packs down really small, doesn't take too much room in your car. Comes with a little carry bag, it's got a carry handle on it as well. I'll just slot that one in there. You're all good and you're ready for adventures. So the Explore Planet Earth dash side table, it comes with a 3-year warranty. It's available right now online at snowies.com.au with fast free delivery to most of Australia. Until next time, happy camping.